bad mindset of people them. We no rate two, no rate we. Furthermore, we no care if you hate we. Hot girls are dead, we the levy. Them can't escape, some of them are pirate. We no rate two, no rate we. DJ Kels, we no care if them hate we. Look here, I be hot girls are dead, just we the levy. Second verse.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless all and greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens, my lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health is our wealth and your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, anyone that big up on yourself, so do give thanks to life. Do give thanks for the sunshine. Do give thanks to the rising. Wherever you are in the world, I want to say blessings and love, protection and guidance. Zine. Now my viewers and subscribers, today I vlog on the go, so I'm not stay long, but I just want to highlight, you know what I mean? Big talent. You see me from another brother from another mother. Zine. Yeah man, the great Horny Pastar, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're done with the routine, you know. After the break.
Hi guys, it's a girl called Kadeva representing for the Real West Produce Challenge, right? Oh my god, it's so exciting. All you have to do is submit a 1-minute video by the 1st of May 2021. So you only have like roughly 2 weeks. So submit the video dancing to his song. Make sure you don't bring the vibes, the energy, creativity, everything. The first winner will get £150. The second winner will get £50, and the third winner, voted by myself, White Shadow, and the Real West America, will get £100 for the most creative video. All right, the winner of the video will be based on the most likes, not the most views. We will have 2 weeks for you to gather as much likes, right, so you can be the winner. Follow the Real West America IG page, listen to the song, make sure you come out with your vibes, your energy. We want to creativeness, we don't want a boring thing. Produce Real West America, big up yourself. I can't wait, man. These videos are gonna be hot like today, bro. Hot like today.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. That is my challenge, see, for my new single titled Produce. Yeah, it's gonna be out on the end of this month, and we're doing a little challenge, you know what I mean? Yeah, we are giving 3 different chances to win. You know what I mean? £150 for the video that has gained the most likes, £50 for the video that gained the second most likes, and £100 for the most creative video. So you can win the video for the most likes, the prize, and also win the prize for the most creative. So you don't know, we need some participants. If you know any female who would like to enter and not shy, because you have enough female on the gram, you know. I just a dance and I do it for free and entertain them fans. So why not send them over so them can have a chance to win something? You know what I mean? Support, yeah man, I don't know. That's why we are promote. You see what I say? Help you support, yeah, help you promote, yeah. You see what I say? I never know what I say. You know my viewers and subscribers, yes. But before I start and show Horny Pastar performance, and you know what I mean, with DJ Kels, big up Farda Kels, Woah FM. I want to take this time out to pay my tribute and condolence to one of Jamaica pioneers, you know, broadcaster, journalist, TV presenter, Michael Sharpe. Passed away, you know, at the age of 65. He died, well, they must say he died of COVID, and they must say he died after he took the V, you see? Yeah, them say he died of C, and some people say he died after he took the V. So, we just put it out. They want to say condolence to his family and everyone, and all the media personality group, you know what I mean? All the media entities who had a relationship with Michael Sharpe. I want to say condolence. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, now want to pay respect to Farda Kels from Woah FM. Zine, you don't know, Horny Pastar was on the show as a guest, I assume, as is interviewed, you know, by DJ Kels, and performance and reasoning, and you don't know the pastor play an integral part also in the music business, the media entity, you know, been on the radio for quite a few years now. He's also a recording artist, and he also does his little vlogging like myself, yeah. You see me? So when I watch it fully, I say yes. It was very entertaining and energetic, and you know, we love the reasonability. Shalama, shung, shang, shing. Yeah man, big up all of the Horny ladies them. Now my viewers and subscribers, yeah man. I don't know when you can watch the full interview up on Horny Pastar page, but I just take off a little piece for sure. You see me? Yeah. So I don't know. Sit back, enjoy the ride, enjoy the show. You see me? I say, big up Farda Kels again. Woah FM, one of the foundation stations. See? Big up JNR who introduced me to that station over 10 years ago. So, big up our FM. My viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. Watch the performance. I don't know. After that, when you now see me again, can work mode. You see me? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell and share. Make someone else watch and hear. I'm out.
Whoa, 90.
Shalom and Shunde.
Yeah, we have it easy. Fan break.
Fan break.
Boom! Hear me now. Foot the viral king. And as a viral thing, I represent for Woah FM, the baddest station in London. You know the thing. FM, you see it. 90.4. Sound it.
Play something nice.
Woo!
Playing big song feel real good. Well, it's all about Woah FM 90.4, London's leading on the turning app, Apple Music and Twitch. Luke D's endorsing.
So right now, Pastor, that was the fan break already. You know,
Quite so.
Right, so we are gonna again. We not stop. Kick it like a ball.
I wish song me say me don't drop on the rhythm, man. Yo, Sir Kels, DJ Kels, this is some people. Tell them straight. Boom. So we no rate who no rate we. Kels, and we no care if them hate we. Look here, I be hot girls a date us we the levitate. Them can't escape, some of them up by Kels. We no rate who no rate we. Furthermore, we no care if them hate we. Look here, I be hot girls a date us we the levitate. Them can't escape, some of them up by. Me got my mind for my mother and my music and my money. My brother and sister, them kids, them are honey. Some guy run lame joke like Anjay Bunny. For them communication level is that a fact. Them can't stray me from my mission towards my goal, my brain be condition. Them hate call me have ambition. What a bad mindset of people them. We no rate who no rate we. Furthermore, we no care if you hate we. Hot girls are dead, we the levy. Them can't escape, some of them are pirate. We no rate who no rate we. DJ Kels, we no care if them hate we. Look here, I be hot girls are dead, just we the levy. Second verse. Me so focused like a swarm of locusts. To the haters I say hocus pocus. Hack and stew like say them a mucus. To us you are nothing but jokers. Hey, invisible boy DJ Kels never see you one. None of the little kids now try to be one. Me and the hot girls them now pray. You thief like a puss take things where they know. We no rate who no rate we. Kels, and we no care if them hate we. Whoa, I be hot girls a date us we the levitate. Them can't escape, some of them up by.
No.
Shalama.
Shalama, shung, shang, shing. Yo! Ma tell her, Pastor, yo, you laugh up. Yo, Pastor, that's easy, you know. Yo, Pastor. You know, right now, Pastor, true, me know your body, you know. True, you know your bag, and in a bag of chattings, you know, Pastor.
That is it?
True, me know your body, you know. Me, I play this, you know. Kick it like a ball.
That song there? And that's how we're reaching that from. Hey, alright. I'm reading this DJ Kels. Abaga chat. And them on this start the facts. Stylo your song bad, but one line kind of funky. Yes, hallelujah.
Yo, don't stop it, you know.
Yes,
kick it like a ball. Right as upon ital is vital. We now bag a chat. You understand?
Abaga chat. And them are this start the facts. Watch ya. Stylo your song bad, but one line kind of funky. You say you are the UK dancehall bunty. Your explanation is needed, so please give it promptly. Me have about 16 bars for conky. The line sound sick, but the character nothing. Please compare yourself to a different artist. Man, glad say you boss youth and all that, but you a claim accolade that you don't deserve. Look how much artists say one, then you never boss one. Artists with this, you kill our clash none. And you are the UK ground guide general, Mr. Cross and angry, miserable. We boss Scully and Gaza, busy hamling dog, I scare them baby, Sham Khalid, Ayara. I could have mentioned like Countess Ada, Uncle First name, the boss of me, man, baby. Hey, abaga chat, abaga, level me. Abaga chat, abaga. Baga chata, baga chata, baga chata, baga chata. Name out. One more time, Kels. Boom. Baga chata, baga chata, baga chat, chat, chata, baga chata, baga chata, baga chat, chat. Baga chata, baga chata, baga chata, baga chata. Name out. This start the facts.
Oh.
You're confused when you say Bunty. See Stefan, then I run one go confront it. Killer war, galley muse armor, or tumpy. Hey, my me have to call you the monkey. You are the top artist for England. Yes, I know. Body can't take that from, but you need to have a lyrical clash with one before you make in such a comparison. Whoa, you can't claim no title to which you are not entitled. Or a lyrical gotta watch. We smite you. You say something wrong, me I right you, not fight you. Shoom. I know me not say nothing in disrespect. You can't just write me off a think and check. What for you, wanna feel you can't get. You get Bunty status, you not reach that. Unlike the inland revenue, I don't just show receipt to the math. Everything I fit adopt. I know about me have a dog, but if you came the wrong back tax, you get right, boom. A baga chat, a baga chat, chat. Baga chat, a baga chat, chat. Baga chat, a baga chat, a baga chat, a baga.
Yo, listen me. Wanna just see what I go on, you know. No baga chat. Me not even have to say nothing, you know, Pastor. Listen to me. You have nothing to prove, but you don't know a man drop what day and we are just give thanks, you know, cause you don't know, say, DMX pass out to us to sleep in peace, so me not even attack. Watch her.
So you say?
Anything.
DJ Kels. Me no hear nothing. All when me see I just be a press button them. Me no hear nothing. Step out with me eyes and me ears them open and me no hear nothing. All when me see I just be a press button. Whoa. Me no hear nothing. Step out with me eyes and me ears them. If me them a talk, well me can't record. I can identify a lyric confrontation. Then the one fi collide with me. If you this better be subliminal. Cause if you ever say one word of a sentence, just try say 1/3. One pronoun or say one verb. One sound me use and me dash with 2 birds. What me say? Me no hear nothing.
Me no hear nothing, no. Listen. No, me no hear nothing, no.
Me no hear nothing. All when me see I just be a press button them. Me no hear nothing. Step out with me eyes and me ears them. Well, me and Tash didn't make you get a feature. Where you try to sneak this a preacher. Mind me make it your sister still treat ya like a Blackberry app them delete ya. You have something to say straightforward and stop throw word like Miss Carwood. From Badman place and them a coward. Better you move uptown to Norwood. Me no hear nothing. All when me see I just be a press. Me no hear nothing. Step out with me eyes and me DJ Kels. Me no hear nothing.
No. Me say me no hear nothing.
Me no hear nothing.
Listen.
Watch out now, lyrics are fall upon them like the monsoon. I know holiday this in a can tune. Drop on the 6-man pile up in a deep one room. Flex like muscle, but me no see no. Every song them sing it does the same topic. Clothes and shoes, you know, please stop it. You know?
No, more catches, Pastor. More catches,
Clothes
Pastor.
and shoes, you know, please stop it. Me in a Primark and them in a Versace jacket and the girl where you want. Me stop it. You, me no hear nothing. All when me see I just be a press button them. Me no hear nothing. Step out with me eyes and me ears them open but.
Yeah man, me not lie. DJ Kels can mix too. Yo, DJ Kels, big up yourself. Energy, vibes in the studio. That's why I say big up our FM. My viewers and subscribers, that's it for now. Say, big up on yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. And the pastor, big up yourself. Out.
Mix the white drum with butter roots.